Look at this well-manicured home. This beautiful inviting entry deck that's perfectly trimmed and well painted. This kitchen is so beautiful and modern. Look at this induction cooktop and this microwave convection oven. An integrated dishwasher door, matching integrated cabinetry, the stainless steel sink. Everything is so beautifully compacted and integrated. Space is so peaceful and zen-like. Between the comfortable love seat sofa and these gorgeous shiplap walls, this is the perfect place to host your friends and family day in and day out. A queen-size bed, very nice. There's so much space to get dressed in. Look at this full-size closet and this gorgeous built-in cabinetry. And I love this frosted glass door that lets so much natural light into the bathroom. With an oversized shower, combination washer dryer, a linen closet, and a nice ceramic sink. This is it.
Every model meets the most stringent Florida building codes and installs on a permanent foundation. Mesocore is a family-owned company. Every home is manufactured right here in Florida with high-volume modular construction that ensures quality and affordability. Inside a super strong steel chassis, the team pre-builds the kitchen, bathroom, electrical, and plumbing systems with ready-to-connect components that streamline on-site construction and can reduce installation time to as little as 4 weeks. Explore your path to homeownership at mesocore.com.